How to add a thumbnail to YouTube Shorts. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you add a custom thumbnail for your YouTube Shorts that will show up on the short itself. First of all, upload your YouTube short. If you've already uploaded a short, you won't be able to choose the thumbnail afterwards. So make sure to select the thumbnail before hitting upload. Click on the plus button, then upload a video. Choose the video as your YouTube short, then hit next. You can title your YouTube short, but before hitting upload, select the pencil in the top left corner to choose a custom thumbnail. Once you have chosen the thumbnail, hit done. This feature currently works on smartphones only, but if you're uploading from your desktop, you won't be able to change the thumbnail for now. This is how you can add a thumbnail to YouTube Shorts. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.